Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you a fantastic skill on how to seek problem-solving help from ChatGPT. Problem solving is easy with ChatGPT by your side. Here's how to do it. Begin by describing your problem in simple terms. Make sure to provide context so ChatGPT understands what you're facing. Request assistance by asking, "Can you help me solve?" and then insert your problem or briefly state your problem. So for example, we will ask ChatGPT a simple formula in mathematics. So we will ask ChatGPT, can you help me solve 2 times 2? So as you can see, ChatGPT already has answers to your question. So if it's a complicated formula, you can ask ChatGPT to break down the steps to solve the problem so that you will know how to get the correct answer. For more ideas, inquire what are some different approaches I could take to solve and then state your problem again. So if needed, seek further guidance and ask ChatGPT, can you provide more details about these steps? And then you will specify the aspect of your problem. It should be specific so that ChatGPT will then give you the right answer. And there you have it. You're now equipped to get ChatGPT's help with problem solving. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to ask for ChatGPT's help with problem solving. See you on my next video. Remember, ChatGPT is your virtual problem solving partner. Use this tool to tackle challenges, gain insights, and sharpen your skills. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let your newfound problem solving abilities shine. Thanks for joining me on this journey of discovery. Embrace the power of collaboration between human and AI. And remember, every problem is an opportunity for growth. Here's to your successful problem-solving adventures ahead.